Hello everyone. My name is Thomas the Favorite NG52. I'm here for another vaccine. The all engines go Emily and Gordon. They are my favorite character. Here's Gordon. He's saying looks like original Gordon than here. Yeah. And here's Emily. I have a engine's called Emily. This is new Emily. Wow, Emily is so cute. He's talking now. When before our engines go begin, Emily whistle is always the same. Like James and Thomas. Yes. And only except Gordon, he's got new whistle. So I wish Gordon returned the older whistle back. Gordon is so big, and it's bright blue, just like my character version and Thomas. Anyways, let's open the box. 잡았다. Here's Gordon. Wow, he's bright blue. And here's Gordon, the big engine. And his antenna is so beautiful. This is new.
Hello, Gordon.
Hello, Thomas. Yes?
What are you doing?
I'm going to Ponies Express.
Okay. I'm going to get
Express coaches. Now, next box the Emily. Barto, Baby 99, his favorite character. His favorite character is Emily. He's Emily big pen. Wow, Emily is so cute. Hey. Here's the custom Emily, and this is porcelain Emily, and this is this size like Emily. It's almost the same. Wow, Emily is so cute. Hello, who are you? I'm Emily. I'm real Emily. Oh yes, I'm all engines go Emily. I'm original Emily. Nice to meet you. Okay. Okay, everyone. Later, I finished to make the page part 2 to my movie. And in October, I'm going to make the new movie. Its movie called is My Big Word Pen and Kamen Rider Super Sentai and the first reprint the Korean set. 소방서역, 경찰서, 그리고 가수도 같이 나오는 영화가 10월 달에 개봉합니다. 여러분 기대 많이 해주세요. 안녕.